Welcome back to Chesil Beach Holiday Park. I'm Vinny, and today we're checking out this Swift Burgundy available right now. Starting outside, we have this really great decking space. We're 8 foot wide by approximately 12 foot in length. Then we come along your walkway to your main door. Follow me inside. As we step through your main door, we're greeted by your boiler cupboard with some really handy storage, fridge freezer, which takes us through to the kitchen. Inside of here, we've got some really great storage, the built-in microwave, sink of course, and your oven, grill and hob. Across from this, we have your dining nook. So there's plenty of seating and the additional stools. So there's plenty of seating for the whole family to get together. Coming through to your lounge, we've got a big L-shaped sofa, plenty of seating again to get everybody together, whether it's during the day or family nights in, watching movies or playing games. Across from this, we've got the fireplace as well, so it creates a nice homely environment. And one of my favourite features about this holiday home is the view. We can check out Portland, the cliffs, and we even see the sea from here. One of the great features about this holiday home is this dividing door. Whilst the kids are in bed, it means the adults can stay up and enjoy their evening. First up is the kids' room. This is our twin bedroom with the 2 single beds, a really good sized wardrobe and plenty of storage going around. Across from this will be your family shower room. Inside of here, we've got the toilet, basin and a large walk-in shower. And this is your master bedroom, the best till last. You've got the big double bed, loads of storage, you've got a television point on this wall. And to the other side of the bedroom, we have this gigantic wardrobe, a vanity area to get ready for those evenings out, as well as your own ensuite. When you purchase a holiday home with the Waterside Holiday Group, you are not only getting the holiday home and the decking included, also included into the price will be a brand new 42-inch smart TV, a bedding pack and an inventory pack, so it's all ready for when you move in. If you have any questions or if you'd like to find out more, give us a call on 01 305 836 836 or click the link below.